This is Opove or Opove with the model number T6. And I've seen Kodos with this trimmer before. And I just saw this. It was a little bit cheaper. So I said, okay, let me have it. Kodos hair trimmer, I guess, was the first one that got this hair trimmer. So this is Opove or Opove. No specs rating on the body except here. Got 1600 milliamp battery. Oh, nothing else rating. So that's it. And got 2-speed. And one is 6000, I guess, RPM. So it's also like this. Nothing. Just a plain one. Okay. And thank God it's written in English, which is good. Okay. 2 hours charging time and 180 minutes operating time. 6000 RPM and 7000 RPM. That's good. Okay. Which is good. Okay. Charging cable. And they didn't put adapter for me, which is bad. Okay. Little brush. And you can't remove this one. So that's it. So this is the trimmer. Very small. 7 watts. Okay. And it's light. Very light. And this is the blade. So I really like this place. It's a little bit small or something like that, you see? When you put your thumb here, and it's a little bit small somehow. Okay. 4-speed. And the second speed. So it's a little bit light somehow. 139. As you can see, this is a detachable trimmer. So you can see you cannot zero gap this blade, but set from here. I will tell you how. So if you want to zero gap this hair trimmer, you need to loosen these Allen key screws. Then you push it front or back, just like I guess JRL or something like that. Just the same, but it's a little bit difficult, you know. Well, it's okay. See? See? Smaller. This one is small. This is a brushless motor, and you cannot compare this one with this one. This one is more superior than this one. Man, this is hair trimmer with a cycle blade. So that's it for the unboxing of this Opove or Opove hair trimmer. Yep. Peace, man.